Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu don dedicate im 54th birthday anniversary to all the political office holders and civil servants for the office of the Deputy Governor for their resilience, perseverance, support and understanding even for the face of challenges. The Deputy Governor talked this one on the 1st of December 2023 for the surprise birthday bash when his staffs arranged to mark im 54th birthday anniversary. Oga Shaibu for your appreciation speech con appreciate im staffs and aides for the love wey dem show am and say dem tanda gidigba with am even with the way people dey run from am sake of say anybody wey near am dem dey fire dem. E con still talk say im dey sorry for the hardship wey dem dey face and encourage dem say na political challenge and e go soon pass. E con promise dem say this Christmas im go do dem well well.
This period where any person in government that get close to me is fired and you people decided to do this shows your love as a family, as members of office of the deputy governor. So I am really happy. I wasn't expecting this because I discovered that in the system now, everybody is running from Philip because they are afraid of being fired. We are family. We are family. These things are temporal. It will come to pass. Life is a circle. You don't treat your fellow brother or fellow sister or colleague as if they are shit. No. God is the one that gives you power. And God is the one that gives you grace. You can take it at any time. So when you remember that, just know that always be on the side of God. So for seeing you people, I'm energized. I'm happy. And I want to also apologize to all of you for the hardship we are going through our new office. And it's all politics. One day we'll return back. If we are not returning back as deputy governor, we'll return back as governor in government house. So I am confident. People meet me and say, you are so confident. I say, yes, because when you hold on to God, when you stay with God, nothing. People, some media people are now misinterpreting it and challenging governor. No, I'm not challenging governor. No, I'm not challenging it. How can deputy governor challenge governor? No, we must respect the office of the governor. But the point is, I am holding on to God. No office can challenge God. So I am only telling the world that I am confident because God has told me this is where I should go. And God has always led me. So if anybody now misinterprets it, that is the person's own. But for me, I will continue to do what is right. I'm funding the office for the past 5 months. I'm the one funding you. And I don't want to owe you. I don't want the office to owe you. Government is now owing me. But it doesn't matter. Whether they pay or not, it doesn't matter. What I care is I care for you, the staff of the office of the birthday celebration. I dedicate it to all of you that have suffered the hardship of politics. What you are suffering now is political hardship. And because I've actually caused the problem for you. Because if I was not contesting, they won't go and keep all of you in Siberia and all of us. But it's one of those things. We will manage. We will manage. And also, the Christmas, we'll still do our Christmas. No matter this Christmas, all of us will not go. God will provide, and we will make sure that all of you, as we normally do it, we'll still do it this year.
Permanent Secretary Office of the Deputy Governor Abiayuwa Eki Oyemese on behalf of the staff contrary salute give the Deputy Governor and contour say Oga Shaibu na correct boss to work with and all of them they happy to work with him and say them stand gidigba with him for anything way he want do.
Like I would say from my own end, I have worked just in a very short period or for a very short period with you, and I would say this is an overwhelming, very fantastic post. And everyone shares this opinion. And we want to let you know that, not just on this special day, strength, we continue to pray for God's wisdom, we continue to pray for protection, we continue to pray that God will always be before you, with you, and after you. Yeah. We say we're very happy. We can't express everything in words, but just know we are a people. And God will back in everything after everything that is of you. Have a very wonderful and beautiful celebration. And of course, to know that we are in it together is our day. And God continue to bring smiles, happiness, celebrations all our way out to every one of us in your office. It's a family and it will continue to be even beyond now.
Chief Press Secretary to the Deputy Governor, Comrade Ebomina Musa, charge the staff, say, make all of them join body, they pray for their boss. Say by the next birthday, the state and the entire world go celebrate them.
Civil servants and politicians, we have put our voices together. I know God will hear our voices, hear our prayers. Everybody here carries a different anointing. Everybody here carries different spirits. All we put together, the good, the bad, and we pray for our boss. But next birthday, the state and the entire world shall celebrate beyond this office in Jesus' mighty name.
Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesili, TMC TV News.